bottom of your bowl.
Can you say baby? Baby? Baby! Is there a baby in your bowl? Can you give her a kiss? Can you give the baby a kiss in your bowl? Can you give her a kiss? Oh, nice baby. Nice baby.
Kissing her, or are you just licking the inside of the bowl?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Who is that? Yeah, you're poking her in the eye. Is that Tinkerbell? Or as she's known in the ghetto, Tink?
You say baby?
That's it, show mom the baby.
Baby? Uh-oh.
Don't drop that.
Uh-oh.
Don't drop it.
It landed face up, so it's okay.
Don't you do it.
Talia, can you say banana? Banana? Yeah.
Mmm.
No, you're too interested in shepherd's pie?
Mmm. Yeah.
Mmm.
Dinner?
Brum brum brum.
Okay.
Brum brum brum.
Not gonna last much longer, huh?
Nice baby. Nice baby. You giving her kisses? Nice baby. Nice baby. Really? Talia. Nice baby. Got some corn on your head there, kid.
Little hat. Nice hat. Yeah, nice hat.
Can you say num num num? Num num num? Num num num? Kisses?
You spit out a piece of corn.
You say num num num? Num num num? You dropped it again, and this time it landed face down.
That means you're done.
You all done? Talia, how big is baby Talia? Yes, so big. So big. That's right. That's right. How big is baby Talia? So big. So big. Yay. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Yay. Yay. Baby. Yay. All done? All done? All done? All done? Are you all done? Can you clap your hands? Yay! Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me cake as fast as you can.